Ninja just dropped a huge wave of new kitchen and outdoor gear, and it's a lot to keep track of. So today, we're breaking down 12 newest releases, everything from a glass air fryer big enough to roast a whole chicken to a soft serve machine that finally nails a real ice cream truck swirl. Whether you're upgrading your cookware, blender, or entire backyard setup, there's something here worth your attention. Every product we mention, plus current pricing, is linked right down in the description below. Let's get into it. Ninja Clad Fry Pan. With the Clad, Ninja went all in on professional-grade tri-ply construction. It layers 1810 stainless steel inside, a 99% pure aluminum core in the middle, and a polished stainless exterior, aiming for the kind of performance you'd expect from a restaurant kitchen. It's oven-safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, it built to handle serious heat without warping. Since it's fully stainless steel with zero non-stick coating, there's simply nothing to flake off or wear away over the years. Ninja Prestige Smart XL Toaster Oven. This isn't just a toaster oven. You can go from crispy fries to perfectly cooked meat, or even dehydrate food without switching equipment. The built-in ProCook Smart Thermometer handles precise doneness for you, so there's no need to open the door or guess. With 10 functions: air fry, air roast, whole roast, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, dehydrate, and reheat, it works quickly, saves space, and handles full meals without feeling limited. It's a smart pick for anyone short on counter space who still wants full-size oven performance. Instead of owning a separate toaster, air fryer, and dehydrator, this one unit handles all three jobs, freeing up counter space while delivering consistent professional-level results. It's priced at $229.99. Ninja Crispi Pro Air Fryer. First up is the Ninja Crispi Pro, and it takes the glass basket air fryer idea and scales it way up. You get a 6-quart glass container big enough to roast a full 7.5-pound chicken, plus a smaller 2.5-quart container for everyday meals. It runs on an 1800-watt motor, and because the baskets are made from thermal shock-resistant borosilicate glass instead of plastic, you can go straight from freezer to fryer without thawing anything first. 6 cooking modes: max crisp, air fry, roast, bake, re-crisp, and dehydrate cover a huge range of recipes. And since the glass is food safe, you can cook, serve, and store leftovers in the same container. Ninja Ceramic Cookware Set. Ceramic pans have a reputation for losing their non-stick magic fast. Ninja tackled that with a dual-bonded ceramic lock coating, built to hold its non-stick performance far longer than typical ceramic surfaces, so you can focus on the meal instead of fighting sticky eggs. The silicone handles stay cool during high-heat cooking, and all 11 pieces work on the stovetop and in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. They're induction compatible too, so this set plays nicely with pretty much any kitchen setup. It's priced at $169.99. Ninja Ultra Crush Pro Kitchen System. You start with hard ice or dense ingredients, and within seconds they break down as if they were soft. Powered by a 1500-watt, 2-horsepower motor, this system delivers smooth, consistent results every time. It crushes ice into snow thanks to total crushing technology in the 72-ounce XL pitcher. And you can also blend directly in the included 18-ounce personal cup. The 8-cup food processing bowl lets you chop vegetables with precision for fresh salsa or create silky sauces and dressings, built for people who make smoothies daily and meal prep on weekends without switching machines. It's priced at $219.99. Check today's price on Amazon in the description below. Ninja Swirl by Creami. The Ninja Swirl takes everything people already loved about the Creami and finally adds the one feature fans kept begging for: an actual soft-serve dispenser. Now it swirls real soft serve straight into a cone or bowl with that signature spiral finish. No scooping required. It packs 13 one-touch programs, including 6 dedicated soft-serve styles, like frozen custard, frozen yogurt, and whipped fruit, alongside classics like sorbet and gelato, plus a creamy fit mode built for lighter, higher-protein treats. Since it runs on the same core technology as the original Creami, you still get total control over your ingredients, just with a new way to serve them. Ninja Waffle Maker Pro. Ninja basically reimagined the waffle iron. Instead of the usual flat, horizontal design, this one stands vertically, letting the batter spread evenly for a far more consistent bake all the way through. It offers 5 browning levels from soft and fluffy to deeply golden and crunchy, plus a dedicated setting for sugar-heavy batters like brownie mix or cake mix, so they cook through without scorching. The included precision pour cup measures the exact right amount of batter, and a built-in chime tells you the moment your waffle is ready. With 1,000 watts behind it, this produces authentic Belgian waffles a full inch thick. It's priced at $139.99. Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven. Let's talk about the one that genuinely stops people in their tracks, the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven. Wood-fired pizza ovens look incredible, but they take practice and more than a few burnt attempts before you nail it. This oven skips all that. It runs on electricity instead of an open flame, yet still climbs to a scorching 700 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to crank out a genuine 12-inch pizzeria-style pie in about 3 minutes, no flipping required. It comes loaded with 5 pizza presets: Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, and frozen, plus a fully customizable setting for anything else you dream up. Because there's no fire to babysit, the same oven bakes, broils, smokes, and keeps side dishes warm while your main course cooks on the grill. And its weatherproof build means it can stay outside year-round. It typically runs around $299.99. Ninja Twisti Blender. This one solves a headache almost everyone's dealt with: ingredients stuck against the blades. The Twisti has a built-in twist tamper you turn while the motor runs, pushing ingredients toward the blades without ever stopping the motor or grabbing a spatula. Its 1,600-watt motor tears through ice, frozen fruit, and dense ingredients without losing power. 5 one-touch Auto IQ programs handle smoothies, frozen drinks, smoothie bowls, spreads, and nutrient extractions with almost no effort. There's also a removable drizzle cap for pouring in liquids mid-blend, so you never have to pop the lid off. It's priced at $159.99. Ninja Neverstick Professional Cookware Set. This Neverstick set uses ceramic particles fused onto the pan's surface at extremely high temperatures. That process locks the non-stick coating in far more securely, which is exactly why Ninja backs it with a 10-year guarantee. The hard anodized aluminum exterior resists scratches almost as well as stainless steel. All 10 pieces are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and the 4.5mm aluminum base, 30% thicker than the standard Neverstick line, spreads heat evenly across the whole surface instead of concentrating it in the center. Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. This setup is basically 3 appliances hiding inside one machine. Its 1,400 peak watt motor crushes ice down to snow in seconds. The 8-cup food processor bowl makes chopping vegetables, mixing ingredients, and blending purees almost effortless, and it can mix up to 2 pounds of dough in about 30 seconds. Thanks to 5 Auto IQ programs, it whips up smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions, chopped mixtures, and dough without you fiddling with settings. It even includes 2 24-ounce travel cups, so you can blend and head out the door. Ninja Precision Kettle. This kettle exists for one reason: getting every drink to exactly the right temperature. It comes with 7 one-touch presets dialed in for green tea, white tea, oolong, black tea, herbal blends, coffee, or plain boiling water, so you never scorch delicate leaves again. It boils a single cup in about 90 seconds, then holds that temperature for a full 30 minutes, ready whenever you are. A 7-cup capacity and illuminated water window make it just as easy to brew for yourself as for the whole family.